We'll guide you through how to create a logo using the latest tools and techniques. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to a website like Canva or Adobe Express, which are user-friendly platforms for creating logos. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, look for the search bar and type in "logo" to find the logo design templates. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from, so pick one that suits your brand's style. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Here, you can customize the text by clicking on it and typing your brand name. You can adjust the font, size, and color to match your brand's identity. If you want to change the icon or graphic, click on the element and browse through the library of icons. You can search for specific icons or use the categories to find something that fits. Once you find an icon you like, click to add it to your canvas and resize or reposition it as needed. To change the background color, click on the background area and use the color picker to select a color that complements your logo. If you want to add additional elements like shapes or lines, use the toolbar on the left to explore more options. It's important to keep the design simple and memorable. When you're satisfied with your logo, click the download button located at the top right corner. Choose the file format you need, such as PNG for digital use or PDF for print, and download it to your computer. Remember to save your project in case you need to make changes later. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.